everything is just gone, and I just want to wake up from this bad dream.
Just pure devastation. I've never seen anything like this before.
Tonight, Southern California residents describing terrifying scenes of destruction and devastation as deadly wildfires continue to rage. 5 separate fires near Los Angeles have killed at least 5 people, scorching thousands of structures in their path. These wildfires are being fueled by fierce winds, pushing the flames into very populated areas.
So today, just a spot of relief for the fire crews. We got a brief break from the winds, but the winds will re-intensify tonight and tomorrow. And some crews from our area are helping out. We have 3 Castle Rock firefighters heading to LA today. They could be there for a couple of weeks. Also, Aurora Fire Rescue says it is prepared to send 2 engines if and when they get the call.
These California wildfires bear some similarities to Colorado's most destructive wildfire in history, the Marshall Fire. It started as a grass fire in Boulder County in late 2021, but hurricane-force winds quickly blew the flames into densely populated neighborhoods, ultimately destroying more than 1,000 structures.
Yeah, just way too familiar for a lot of people here. So earlier we told you about these wildfires and how much more dangerous they become when structures are involved. So I wanted to dig a little bit deeper into why and what it takes to fight these types of fires.
Denver 7's Adria Irahita joining us live in the studio tonight. So Adria, you spoke to experts about this today. First, what did you learn about why these fires are more dangerous?
Yeah, Jessica, Shannon, well, it all comes down to fire science. So when you combine high winds and burning structures, you're dealing with hotter temperatures that make it easier to jump from structure to structure. And just to compare, a grass or brush fire just isn't going to get as hot or powerful.
So how do firefighters approach these compared to just regular urban fires?
Yeah, well, Shannon, you'll remember the quarry fire that we covered back in August. The big concern was keeping those hundreds of acres burning away from homes, and that's exactly why it was such a close call. There are going to be hundreds, if not thousands, of firefighters out at a wildfire, depending on the size of that incident. However, they'll be spread out over a greater distance, so that means resources are stretched thin if and when those structures start burning, making it harder for them to tackle a burning building. And just to give you an idea, it usually takes about 35 firefighters sometimes to put out a structure fire. So that's where it's easy for these things to get out of control.
And that's, we can tell the scale of why this is so massive. Adria Irahita reporting for us tonight in the studio. Adria, thank you.
Thanks, Adria. If you are looking for help here or looking to help out here in Southern California, Scripps News has set up a fund to provide relief. Now you can scan that QR code there on your screen, or if you prefer, text Scripps to 50155 and you can donate, and every dollar you donate goes directly to those impacted by the fires.